leadership skills. Effective communicator. Visionary leader. Charismatic personality. Commitment to public service. Passionate about Turkey's development. Advocate for social justice. Dedication to improving education. Promoter of economic growth. Infrastructure development initiatives. Supporter of entrepreneurship. Focus on technological advancements. Commitment to healthcare reform. Initiatives to combat poverty. Champion of women's rights. Promoter of gender equality. Environmental conservation efforts. Emphasis on renewable energy sources. Commitment to cultural preservation. Advocate for religious freedom. Strong foreign policy initiatives. Effective diplomacy skills. Promoter of regional stability. Supporter of humanitarian efforts. Contribution to refugee assistance. Focus on modernizing the military. Initiatives to combat terrorism. Commitment to national security. Advocate for minority rights. Investment in public infrastructure. Supporter of arts and culture. Initiatives for affordable housing. Commitment to rural development. Promotion of tourism industry. Emphasis on historical preservation. Effective disaster management. Initiatives for clean and sustainable cities. Supporter of youth empowerment. Advocate for inclusive growth. Focus on innovation and research. Initiatives to combat corruption. Commitment to social cohesion. Promotion of sports and athletics. Supporter of small and medium-sized enterprises. Investment in public transportation. Initiatives for digital transformation. Advocate for human rights. Supporter of democratic values. Dedication to the welfare of the Turkish people.